and then bring it to a boil. This is an easier way to poach the fruit. Grab one of your peaches here, place it in a bath of ice water. You're going to be able to pull off the skin just like so. I'm going to start with this peach right here. Have a cool little cutter. You're going to go in at the bottom, push in, and open up. And you're going to use the towel to kind of spin for yourself. Finish up with this. Now I'm going to place it on some aluminum foil. I'm going to sprinkle over a mixture of a little bit of nutmeg and cinnamon. Take your 2 pats of butter. You're going to put one on top and one under. One on top, one under. Then we're going to finish up with some dark brown sugar. A good heavy pinch all the way around. And we're just going to close up. Now we're going to go in a preheated oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Now it's time to do some frying of the pie crust. I have this pie crust at room temperature, and this is just store-bought. Unroll it, fold it over, make it into a little bit of a ball. I'm going to put it in my potato ricer. Now you just squeeze down, and it looks like we got pie crust churros. Go to the fryer. I'm going to use the scissors here, and I'm barely just going to snip off one at a time so the oil doesn't splash up. Fry this for about 4 to 6 minutes until golden brown. Place them on a grill to drain off the grease. But we can't forget the best seasoning that we have, our cinnamon and sugar seasoning here at Chefclub. So we're just going to dribble that on and then let it sit in while it's hot, and it's going to absorb into it. Put our pie crust churros on the plate. Just grab them with our tongs. We're going to create a layer. Take your sauce, which is going to be cream cheese, a little bit of vanilla, powdered sugar, a little bit of water as well. Do the same exact thing. Place those right on top. And then again, go for your second layer. Now it's on to the next step. All right, so just got the peaches out of the oven. Let's break them open and see what they look like. We're going to go right on top of our pie crust churros. Fan it out just a little bit. Chefclub vanilla, best thing we got out there. It's the smoothest vanilla ice cream on the market, and it's artisanal. Get you about 3 scoops. Just gonna go right on the other side of the rose peach. We got some fresh mint leaves, and now you have probably the coolest peach cobbler there is. Enjoy.